Welcome back to another video. As you can see, we are still in the bathroom, and in the past video we attached two beams here, and today we are gonna get on and we're gonna put bricks all around and cement in the beams quite nicely. We need to make it quite beautiful around the beams because right now it's all cracked and not so nice. So we need to prepare that and put like a brick layer all around, because yeah, we want to extend the ceiling all the way up as high as possible, and right now our ceiling would have to be like here. So it does not have, you know, anything kind of the over the wall, the ceiling doesn't go. So that doesn't make it nice. So we're gonna make it higher, and also those bricks, we're probably gonna leave them kind of like a brick look. So it's gonna go paint till the top and then brick on the top. So hopefully that's gonna look good. And yeah, let's get started. Vacuum clean all around because I need to vacuum clean all the dust away. And then we are gonna mix our mixture and start bricklaying.
So as you can see, we have finished the other side as well. We could have done it all in a day, but we ran out of cement yesterday. This is a premix. This one is especially very strong, and as you can see, I'm gonna put a clip. How it looks already, not even 24 hours later, is really nice and dry, and it's really nice to work with. So yeah, that all took us less than an hour to work together, so that's pretty fast. And we also did this part, and now we have gotten to the difficult part, which is over there. We have to kind of somehow patch the beam, because that is mainly also caused by the mice trying to make caves and nests. Here I already closed the hole. Behind there was like really, you know, nice home they had made, but we don't want that because they are destroying the beams. There could also have been rats back in the day, because we did find some dead rats when we first arrived here. So we have to now figure out how to patch it up and finish up some of the brickwork. We're not gonna do too much, fixing up just whatever's up high here that we can't do easily after, because we don't know what's gonna be lower. So yeah, let's figure that out.
So it's the next day, and this one was done 48 hours ago, and this was almost 24 hours ago. So we are ready to kind of clean it up and make it all nice and beautiful, and then we're gonna get on with the ceiling. But that's gonna be another video, so let's just quickly clean up the cement to be ready for us to lock the beams, because those will need to be locked. So yeah, let's clean it up. So that is done. I brushed it. This cement is definitely lower grade, or more mixture of lime in it than the other one we used. It's also with lime based kind of mixture with cement. and it's a lot stronger, of course. And yeah, I think it's still gonna be, of course, overall perfect. This is not gonna be anything going on it. It's just kind of for beauty, last layer, just because the ceiling is gonna go right here. So we don't need to do it super low. The ceiling goes a bit higher up, because anyways, we don't need it so low. Next up is gonna be in the next video, we are gonna get started with lacking and painting. And not painting, but lacking the beams, protecting them against worms and against moisture as well. And then we're gonna do the ceiling. So it's gonna be finally sealed, because it's a lot of cold coming in the night. Heat in the day now, but cold in the night. And we do want to seal it, because of course winter's coming and we are kinda done with the hot season. So I hope you enjoyed. I think it looks pretty great, and we're gonna see you in the next one. And I think it's gonna turn out pretty nice. We have a lot more work to do in the bathroom, of course, but it's getting at least the top sealed. Good night. Bye bye.